Gold is about to explode, and our advanced QML strategy just confirmed it. Let's dive in. What you are looking at right now is a beautiful drop based rally with multiple break-off structures to the upside while giving us a QML right here. And if you look closely, we have equal lows right here, which is liquidity, and just right below this we have the Asian session, which is yet to be taken out. And what does that mean? It means there's a very high potential chance of us actually taking advantage of this 1800 pip move to the upside right here. Okay, let me show you what is happening on the higher time frame. Right, so if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll be able to appreciate this big trend to the upside that has been going on, right? And then for some time we've seen the market actually reverse, coming to the downside right here. And for now, we're able to see that the market is actually trying to push to the upside. So we've reached this level right here. So if you can actually do something like this, you'll be able to realize that the market actually tapped into the supply zone right here. So we tapped into the supply zone this demand zone right here, and then we pushed to the upside. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. You can see after tapping into this area, we pushed to the upside. Great, right? And then what are we waiting for right now? Right now we're waiting for the market now to pull back and actually confirm with us that the market is now actually willing to go to the upside. The upside potential of this particular trade is massive because we're looking at that particular high right there. So if you can just catch it at the right time, you'll be able to ride all this move from the lower time frame right here to this level right there. So if you go to the 50 minutes time frame, you'll be able to appreciate this drop based rally that was left behind. Beautiful. Okay, so we have a nice drop based rally with multiple break-off structures to the upside right here. As you can see, we were left with the QML, and this beautiful move right here always means something. So whenever you have big candles, just know that smart money is involved in that particular transaction right there. And you can see after this was formed, the market actually has been breaking structure to the upside right there. So what I'm waiting for right now is just to see how the market reacts from this zone right here. I want the market to take out this liquidity, to take out the Asian session, and once that has happened, I want the market to come into my area right here. Once the market has come into this level, I'll be able to execute and share this in our signals community. As you can see, the forecasts have already been shared in our private community right here, and therefore right now I'm just waiting for the market to come into my zone and I'll be able to actually execute. And for now, all I do is just set alerts. I'll just set an alert right there and then just wait to see what the market does from here. Otherwise, the stop loss is about 40 pips and our target is like 1800, making this a 1 to 43 pips forecast right here. Very possible this can actually move all the way to this level right there. So don't miss out. Set your alerts and let's watch this. Remember, I'm only going to take this trade once it meets my criteria, because at any particular time anything can happen. So I want to see how the market reacts at this level right here. That's the only time I'm actually going to get involved. At any particular time anything can happen, therefore stay alert, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so let's watch what happens and I'll keep you updated.